Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Again, Merry Christmas. Today is the Christmas Eve, and for this video, I would like to share with you yung laman ng Christmas box na receive namin from Chef Gregory and from the rest of the Shangri-La team. So yeah, thank you and Merry Christmas. By the way, guys, this is just sharing na marami akong pinagdaanan. Like this year, I've been through a lot. So, mga sad, masasakit na nangyari, and may mga nawala, may nawala financially, and nawala nga din yung lolo ko. So this video is just to share with you guys na everything happens for a reason. Yeah, so this vlog naiyak ayoko umiyak. So yun, just say thank you sa mga taong naging inspiration ko, at saka thank you kasi hindi nila ako iniwan na talagang andyan lang sila, not physically, but then I know that emotionally na sinusupport nila ako. Yeah, yun. So, I've been through a lot this year, and bear in mind guys na kahit anumang mangyari, na anumang dagok sa buhay mo ang dumating, na meron at meron darating na blessing. Hindi mo man makikita ngayon or dahil sa mga pinagdaanan mo, eventually, at the end of the day, marirealize mo na kaya pala nangyari lahat ng yun is to prepare you guys for a better future, or to prepare you na maging stronger in the future. So yun, by the way, Merry Christmas Lolo in heaven, and sa lolo at lola ko pa. Yun, so Merry Christmas at saka miss na. Hi guys, I'm back. So for this vlog, it's just the whole day Christmas Eve ko during quarantine. So andito ako ngayon sa Park Royal Hotel and serving my stay home notice, or what we call quarantine for 14 days. For today is our 9th day, and we still have 5 more days to go, and then we will undergo for a swab test on the 26th. So today is Eve of Christmas Day, and yesterday may nagpadala sa amin ng box from Shangri-La Rasa Sentosa, which is from one of our colleagues. I mean, he is the executive chef of Shangri-La. So na-touch naman kami kasi syempre naalala niya kami na syempre it's Christmas, and naalala niya kami na nandito kami ngayon sa quarantine, and then he gave us box of I don't know what's inside. So less time for us to find out what's inside. So, thank you nga pala kay Chef Gregory of Shangri-La Sentosa and the rest of the team, na thank you sa pag-alala sa amin. And yan, so may note. So, hindi ko nababasahin yung note. So, it's Rels and Van. So, one for Vanessa and one for me. So, i-unbox na natin siya, guys. So, it comes in this box. Ang cute, diba? So, it says Shangri-La Rasa Sentosa, Singapore, Resort and Spa. And then, wishing you a Merry Christmas. And from the team of at Shangri-La Rasa Sentosa Resort and Spa. Alright, so, yan. Kita ba? Ayan, guys. So, nandiyan na natin. Oh, parang excited naman ako. There you go. And then, paano ba to? Okay, so may isang ribbon pa dito. Very secured siya, guys. At saka ang ganda ng packaging. Alright. So, ganun. So, yan! Charan! So, all like Christmas goodies. So, my Christmas cookies, my muffins, my gummy bears, favorite ni Alden. And then, so, Christmas cookies, gingerbread cookies, and then, I have muffins. I love Paris. Wow, it's chocolate. Oh, I love chocolates. And then, itong mga to, I'm not sure what's inside. It's like, parang mga meringue, something like that. And then, some Christmas cookies. Ang dami niyang laman. Christmas cookies. And then, I guess this is for cake. I think this one is my rum. May alcohol yata to. That it means pwede siyang i-keep until, I'm not sure, pero ang alam ko, pwede siyang i-keep. Alright, so, Basta from friends din siya. I mean, made from friends sabi. So, may gummies, gummy bear, favorite ni Alden. Inggitin ko siya mamaya. And then, guys, meron din siyang Santa chocolate and mga meringue. Oh, may note pa. Sweet naman ni Chef. Thank you, Chef and Shangri-La team. Alright, Merry Christmas and welcome back to Singapore. See you soon, Chef Gregory. Thank you, Chef! See you soon! You might probably miss my, being makulit at work, huh? See you soon, guys, and see you, Chef Gregory. So, yun, guys, that's all for this video. Siguro separate ko na lang tong unboxing nito or kaya sama ko siya sa another video. And yeah, that's the end of this unboxing and thank you for watching and Merry Christmas everyone!